Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Thank You Jesus for the Blood on piano. First, let's identify the song's key, which is typically C major. We'll then learn the foundational chords, C, G, a minor, and F. Focus on playing these smoothly with your right hand, getting comfortable with the melody line. This sets the stage for building the full arrangement. Now, let's bring in your left hand to provide the bass notes for each chord. Practice the common chord progressions like C to G, then a minor to F, ensuring a smooth transition. Start very slowly, coordinating both hands together. Focus on the rhythm and timing, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence and accuracy. To make your playing more expressive, focus on dynamics. Vary your volume, playing softer in some sections and louder in others, to convey emotion. Utilize the sustain pedal to connect notes smoothly, creating a richer sound. Once comfortable, try adding simple embellishments or fills to the melody, making the song uniquely yours and more engaging for listeners. Consistent practice is key to mastering this song. Dedicate short, focused sessions each day to reinforce what you've learned. Listen to different versions of Thank You Jesus for the Blood to gather inspiration for your own interpretation. Finally, challenge yourself to play the entire song through, from start to finish, enjoying the beautiful music you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.